in. It's so hot. A lot of fish just ate. This video is
Yeah, out in Florida today. A good early morning topwater bite. This is the topwater we used most today. Just some like white topwater or anything really. With 3 hooks, about 4 inches long, 5 inches long. Yeah, about 5 inches long.
So I'm gonna be using the KastKing Calamus. It's an ultralight. I only got like 14-pound braid on there. It's a Valiant Eagle is the reel. It's good for fresh and salt water. And then this is the bait. I'm just using this air. Just some top water is the idea because it's the end of the summer. It's the time of the year for it. Looking for reds, snook, whatever we can find.
Trout.
There is some fails in this trip.
Yeah, there was a lot of fails.
Make sure to wash those.
But really all you need to use is some kind of white topwater bait. And just key in on some structure.
I'm gonna have a link in the description if you guys want to check out Nick's channel. He has some videos on there too. Try to do some collaborations on there and stuff.
Yeah, we're gonna try to do this a lot more often.
And I'll also have the links for these rods if you guys want to pick them out in the braid also.
Stay tuned for some more radical saltwater adventures with Florida Bass TV. That's all I can say.
Alright. We're gonna slay again.
Yo, dude, got one. Yeah, I think it's a trout. Oh yeah, it's a trout. Oh, it's a snook. Oh, it's a snook, bro. It was small though, but it was a snook. Where is it?
Whoa. What was it? It was a snook? On a popper?
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude, he just smacked it again. Watch, he'll hit this one, dude.
I love getting out here. Oh, there he is.
Hey, on top water! It's coming towards me!
What is that, snook?
Oh, it's a giant trout, dude!
Oh, another one. Get him, dude, get him. Get him.
Oh my god! It's like last weekend, bro! Dead ass! Bigger, bro!
Keep that one, dude. I want to keep that.
Oh my god!
Get him, bro. Ooh.
Look at that thing, dude!
Get him, dude.
I can't believe that. Bro, look at that trout, bro!
Dude, that's good eating, bro. I'll keep that for sure. Let me get my stringer ready.
Oh my god, bro!
I think the other one last week was a little bigger.
On the freaking ultralight, too. These oyster bars, dude, that's where they're at. Dude, or you got the GoPro on, even better, dude.
Oh no, bro! Oh my!
Did you get that?
Oh no, bro! Oh my!
Fuck, dude!
I was gonna eat that shit, bro.
I had him in the gill, dude. He was just so big.
Damn, Gabe.
I'm gonna try the Miro Dean. I just spooked a redfish right under my boat, dude. Got him. Oh, a snook. Lost a snook, yeah.
Really? Nice snook. Oh, she's digging me too. Woo, baby girl. Oh, I think it's a keeper too, bro. Oh yeah, I think it's a keeper, bro. Oh yes, dude. I got him hooked in the eye. Sorry, buddy. Oh, hard, dude.
Snook! On the top water. I think that's the same one that just bit. Oh, and there he goes. I don't even care. Baby snook. Another little baby. I'm gonna keep the camera rolling though. There's a crab on my boat. Oh my. Okay, yeah, I do now. Come here, bro. This isn't a free ride. Little freeloader. I know it's scary out there. You can handle it. Oh. It's a redfish. Sight fished him, dude. That's so sick. And not a little one. Like, that's not a baby. Probably means there's some more reds over here. Be so sick if one hit top water. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we've got a snook, redfish, and a trout today. And that's a beautiful redfish. That mirrodine right in front of my boat. Sight fished him, but I thought he was a snook. So it wasn't typical sight fish when you see the tail sticking up like that, but just an absolutely beautiful fish. Look at that. Bye, little guy. That's my biggest snook ever. Oh yeah, I think. That's a giant snook. Oh my god, on his hair, spook. Oh my god. I'm at the leader. It's a giant. It's an absolute giant, guys. My heart is going so fast right now. I got him out in the middle on the ultralight. He's not going anywhere. Oh my god. Oh, it's just a jack. Oh my god, I had a heart attack. It's not even that big a one either. Man. Oh well. That's always fun. This jack fought so hard though. Just for a little jack. Alright, on the Zara spook. Look at that guy. Good fight, nice jack, but not what I was looking for. I literally convinced myself it was a tarpon or a snook because I wanted it to be my PB snook. The way he hit, it probably could have been. It's a nice like 5-pound jack. Alright, well I'm gonna go ahead and call up Nick, see how he is doing, and obviously keep fishing.
Yeah.
Yo, where the hell did you go, dude?
I'm gonna go outside. I think you're outside.
Did you catch anything?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've caught like 3 snook and a redfish and a jack.
Oh, really?
Come over to the side. I told you.
Docks, though, right?
I told you to go to the docks, dude.
Yeah, I'm coming over there now.
Yeah. All right, bye.
Yeah, all right.
Nick hasn't caught anything. What the hell? Mangrove snappers? It's so small, dude. Alright. That's a nice snook. Holy crap. Oh, you freaking. There's something big moving. Something just blew up some bait right there. Oh, that was a snook. Got him back. Little guy. It's a nice snook though. It's that same fish, ate topwater twice in a row like that. That's pretty insane though for a snook. Like they don't usually ever do that. That's a nice little 16-incher. So please don't hook me with that Zara spook. I don't like it as much as you do, bro. Look, he still has the hole from last time I hooked him. Huh. Nice little 16-incher. For some reason. I didn't even, like, work it yet. What is that, a flounder? Freaking mangrove snapper. What is, like, what the hell? Okay, well, mangroves are hitting topwater. Mangrove little baby ate the freaking topwater. He went for it! He went for it! That was so sick! Sight fishing redfish! That was so sick! I saw him tailing. It's a big one too. It's bigger than the last one. Way bigger. Oh my god. That was so cool. I've never caught, or I've done it a couple times, but it's just so rare to catch them tailing like that. It's so hard. And on topwater. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Such a freaking awesome catch. Oh my god, it's way bigger than the other one. Look at that. beautiful freaking redfish. I'm gonna get the hook out before I die. Get it in my leg or something. It's shaking right now. That was the coolest catch. That was such a cool catch. On a topwater freaking spook. This fish is much bigger than the other one. I mean, this is like a 20 inch plus fish. Just absolutely beautiful. He was tailing right there in front of me like that. Wow. Look at this beautiful redfish, guys. Look at that slaunch, guys. Freaking Valiant eagle. I've caught so many fish on this reel now. Alright. On a freaking topwater of all things, that was beautiful. That was absolutely beautiful. I haven't caught a fish on top like that in so long. I'm getting some oxygen in his lungs. His gills. Alright, he didn't take long at all. That gets me excited, guys. That was insane. I'm pretty sure there's more back here too. Don't see any. But then again, I don't sight fish. I don't even sight fish. That was just luck that I ran over this guy and he was close enough for me to see him. And he ate it right in front of the kayak. I hope you saw it on video. Like, I wish I had someone out here who could come with like a DSLR or something, zoom in and get these amazing shots, because let me tell you, that was absolutely incredible. Oh, got him out of there, dude. It's not that big. That's still sick. It's like a 15 incher. 16. Hell yeah. Snooking season, bro. They're everywhere. Look at that summer snook right there on the Valiant eagle. Favorite inshore reel. He choked that little jig head. That was another on the goal.